I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to excel in mobile work. First, let's set the stage for success. Begin by optimizing your device settings, ensuring notifications are managed and battery life is extended. Next, leverage cloud storage solutions like Google Drive or Dropbox for instant access to all your documents. Creating a designated, clutter-free workspace, even a small one, significantly boosts focus. Finally, master time management by prioritizing tasks and setting clear goals for each work session. Now, let's explore the essential tools that empower your mobile workflow. Invest in robust productivity apps for task management, like Todoist, and efficient note-taking such as Evernote. Security is paramount. Always use strong, unique passwords and enable two-factor authentication on all accounts. For seamless team collaboration, utilize communication platforms like Slack or Microsoft Teams. Finally, mobile office suites, such as Microsoft Office or Google Workspace, are crucial for document creation and editing on the go. Maintaining focus and well-being is critical for sustained mobile work success. Remember to take regular short breaks, perhaps 5 to 10 minutes every hour, to refresh your mind and body. Actively minimize distractions by silencing non-essential notifications and closing unnecessary apps. Pay attention to your physical health by practicing good posture and using ergonomic accessories if possible. Furthermore, staying well hydrated and ensuring 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night will significantly boost your cognitive function and overall productivity. To truly excel, let's dive into some advanced tips and best practices. Mastering keyboard shortcuts on your mobile device or external keyboard can save you valuable seconds on every task. Explore voice commands for hands-free operation, especially useful for quick searches or dictation. Regularly backing up your data to a secure cloud service or external drive is non-negotiable, protecting your work from unforeseen issues. Finally, stay curious and continuously adapt to new mobile technologies and app updates to maintain your competitive edge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.